The universe is governed by a multitude of natural forces, many of which are incredibly powerful and shape everything from the smallest particles to the vastness of space itself. These forces dictate the behavior of celestial bodies, influence the formation of galaxies, and even determine the laws of physics. Here's a look at the 10 most powerful natural forces in the universe. 1. Gravity. Gravity is perhaps the most well-known and influential force in the universe. It is the force of attraction that pulls objects toward one another, governing the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies. On Earth, gravity gives us weight and causes objects to fall to the ground. In the cosmos, gravity is responsible for the formation of stars, planets, and black holes, and it controls the orbits of celestial bodies. 2. Electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is responsible for the interactions between charged particles. It manifests in both electric and magnetic fields and is the force behind most everyday phenomena, such as the behavior of electricity and magnetism. On a larger scale, it governs the behavior of light, radio waves, and even the structure of atoms. Electromagnetic force also plays a key role in the formation of stars and galaxies, as well as the interaction of charged particles with magnetic fields in space. 3. Strong nuclear force. The strong nuclear force is one of the most powerful forces in nature, albeit on a microscopic scale. It binds protons and neutrons together in the nucleus of an atom. This force is stronger than both gravity and electromagnetism at short distances, but it only acts over distances smaller than the size of an atomic nucleus. Without the strong nuclear force, matter as we know it would not exist, and stars could not burn. 4. Weak nuclear force. The weak nuclear force is responsible for radioactive decay and nuclear fusion processes. While it is weaker than the strong nuclear force, it plays an essential role in the conversion of neutrons into protons and vice versa, and it is responsible for processes like the fusion of hydrogen into helium in stars. Without the weak force, stars could not produce the energy needed for life as we know it. 5. Dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious and still not fully understood force that is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. It accounts for about 68% of the total energy content of the cosmos. Dark energy is believed to counteract the effects of gravity, pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate. Its exact nature remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. 6. Dark matter. Although not a force in the traditional sense, dark matter is an unseen substance that has a powerful influence on the universe. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe's total mass energy content. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to current instruments. However, its gravitational effects on visible matter and the rotation of galaxies make it an essential component in understanding the structure and behavior of the cosmos. 7. Cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation refers to the rapid expansion of the universe in the moments following the Big Bang. This process, driven by an unknown force, caused the universe to expand exponentially in a fraction of a second. While it occurred early in the history of the universe, inflation is considered one of the most powerful events in the cosmos, as it helped shape the distribution of galaxies and structure of the universe we observe today. 8. Magnetic fields. Magnetic fields are generated by moving charged particles, and they are among the most powerful forces in space. The Sun, for example, generates a massive magnetic field that extends across the solar system and influences the behavior of the planets. The Earth's magnetic field protects the planet from solar winds, and magnetic fields play a central role in phenomena like auroras and the creation of magnetic storms. 9. Tidal forces. Tidal forces occur when the gravitational pull of a large celestial body, such as a moon or planet, causes the deformation of another nearby body, such as an ocean or a planet. Tidal forces are responsible for the ocean tides on Earth and can also have massive effects on the orbits of moons and planets. In extreme cases, tidal forces can stretch and rip apart objects, as seen with the destruction of comets and moons near black holes. 10. Supernova explosions. Supernova explosions are one of the most powerful events in the universe. When a massive star reaches the end of its life cycle, it can collapse under its own gravity and explode in a supernova. These explosions release an enormous amount of energy, often outshining an entire galaxy for a brief period. Supernovae scatter heavy elements across space, which later become the building blocks of new stars, planets, and life. The universe is a complex and dynamic place, with forces at play that we are only beginning to understand. From the attraction of gravity to the mysterious presence of dark energy, these forces shape everything we know about space and our place in it. As we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, our understanding of these powerful forces will only deepen, revealing even more about the nature of existence itself.